Welcome everybody to School of Engineers. Today we will solve an environmental FE exam problem related to trickling filter performance. Let's get started. So our problem states that we need to determine the effluent BOD5 in the units of milligram per liter from a first stage rock trickling filter that has a hydraulic flow rate of 0.5 million gallon per day, a filter volume of 51,000 cubic foot, and a recirculation factor of 2.526. The effluent BOD5 is 150 milligram per liter. Okay, now in order for us to solve such problem, we need to use the trickling filter performance equation on page 331, which is issued by the NRC. So for a single stage or first stage rock filter, the equation is 100 divided by 1 plus 0.561 under the square root of W divided VF. Let's put the equation here. Okay, so the efficiency for our system is 100 divided by 1 plus 0.561, the square root of W is basically the BOD loading to the filter in the units of pound per day. Okay, so the loading rate W, it should equal the flow rate multiplied by the effluent BOD5. Okay, so we have 0.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6 gallon per day multiplied by 150 milligram per liter. Now we need to convert this milligram to pounds, so we need to multiply it by 1 divided by 10 to the power of 3 multiplied by 454. This one to convert the milligram to gram, and this number is to convert from gram to pound, so this unit now in pounds. And we need to convert the gallon to liter, so we need to multiply it by 3.785. So now it's in the unit of liter, and this will cancel with this. We will have the units in pound per day. These factors you will find it on page number 3 of the reference manual. So our answer for the loading rate is 625.28 pound per day. So 625.28 divided by V is the volume of the filter media in the units of 10 to the power of 3 cubic foot, so it's 51,000. So it is 51 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 cubic foot. This is the number we are taking inside, so it's 51 multiplied by the recirculation factor, which is 2.526. Now the efficiency of our filter would be 89%. What does that mean? That means when we are loading our 100% BOD5, which is 150, we will treat almost 89%. That means we are releasing the remaining 11%. This is our effluent BOD5. So the effluent BOD5 basically is 1 minus 0.89 multiplied by the effluent BOD5, which is 150. And the answer would be 16.5 milligram per liter. And this would be B.